take a look at the difference between using auto-captions and not using them. You see how the version with auto-captions grabs your attention and makes the content easier to follow, especially when watching without sound. So let's go ahead and show you how to get there. Inside Clipchamp, you're going to click CC Captions in the top right. Then select Try Now. Next, you'll choose your language, and then when you're ready, click Transcribe Media. This will take some time for the AI to interpret the audio. But once it's done, you will have a transcript that is used to create the captions. And stay tuned for a pro tip that is so simple, but yet a major time saver. But real quick, let's recap how to get there. First, we are going to click CC Captions. Next, we'll click Try Now. After that, you'll select your language. And then finally, you'll click Transcribe Media. All right, time to get your hands dirty. Go ahead and open up Clipchamp with a clip that has some audio to get prepped to go. Once you have the file loaded up, add it to the timeline if you haven't already. From here, we're going to have Clipchamp's AI do the real work. Simply click on the CC Captions in the top right corner, as we discussed earlier. Now go ahead and click Try Now. This will bring up the Transcribe with AI dialog box, where you'll select your language. Now, this next feature is pretty amazing. If your content has profanity, Clipchamp has a built-in filter that will censor your content to make it appropriate for all viewers. You just click the small checkbox for Filter Profanity and Offensive Language, and you're good to go. After that, go ahead and click Transcribe Media. Now we wait for Clipchamp to do its thing. Depending on the size of the media, this could take several minutes or more. I'm going to skip through this part to save time. But while you're waiting, please do me a favor. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. This helps me out tremendously, and this is part of a major Clipchamp series that if you're looking to up your content game, you really don't want to miss out on. All right, looks like we're ready to go. As you can see, the caption section on the right now has a transcript with timestamps for each word grouping. Oh, and don't trust captions blindly. Always scan for misheard words. Now let's check it out.
Okay, you guys, I was not ready for this. I just picked up this new e.l.f. lipstick, and honestly, it's kind of insane.
So first things first, you can clearly see that this is not a finished product. It gives a default font type, size, color, and style that isn't the most vibrant or appealing for that matter. But that's where we can get creative. Now, the current font isn't too bad, so we'll work with it for now. Always give an outline and shadow to your captions like so. This helps the text stand out on top of your video. To do that, go to the Advanced section just below the Color section. And here's a special note. Not all fonts have an Advanced section, therefore they don't allow for shadow and outline. So if you notice that the font you've selected doesn't give you that option, go ahead and switch fonts. For this style, we're going to increase the outline thickness to thick. This helps create a border around our text to help define the characters on the background. We'll also change the color to red to really pop against that background, as well as match the bright color of our lipstick. Let's also set the font to bold to also make the text stand out. You can also update the shadow color or depth. For this one, I'll leave the shadow color black. But to increase depth, I go into Settings and change the distance. For this one, I'll set it to far. Now, I left this next part in because you may run into this issue that can cause you to waste a bunch of time.
Okay, you guys.
As you can see, I'm playing the clip, and the captions aren't displaying on the video for the first line.
And honestly,
this happens from time to time, so I'll show you how to deal with it. Let's take a look again and watch the first line.
Okay, you guys. I was not ready for this.
Did you notice what's missing? If not, let's play it one more time.
Okay, you guys. I was not ready for this. I just picked up this new e.l.f. lipstick.
All right, now to fix this, simply go to the top and turn off Auto-Captions. Now don't worry, Clipchamp will not need to reanalyze the text. Just toggle them back on by clicking Try Now and Confirm Settings. After that, you should be good to go.
Okay, you guys. I was not ready for this.
Perfect. Now that's better. Okay, Now we can move on to probably the most important part of modifying your font, and that is font size. For shorts, you want the text to take up a good portion of your screen. There was one study that said somewhere between 20 and 30% was optimal for retention. You can see that 32 font probably takes up 10% of the screen, so we'll bump that up and see how that looks.
Okay, you guys, I was not ready for this. I just picked up this new e.l.f. lipstick, and honestly, it's kind of insane.
Better, but still a bit small. Since we are getting close, I'm going to adjust the font type to what I know has the right vibe. For this video, I'm going with Montserrat.
Okay, you guys.
All right, good. Now let's tweak the font size once more and see how that looks. That looks good. Now let's reposition the text.
Okay, you guys, I was not ready for this. I just picked up this new e.l.f. lipstick, and honestly, it's kind of insane.
Okay, what did you think? Was that font big enough? If not, go ahead and adjust it as you see fit for your video. Oh, and I wanted to mention one other thing you could run into. If you run into an issue where you change the position of the font and not all lines move, you can either exit the project or turn the captions off and on again. And that has fixed it for me in the past. Now it's time for that pro tip. When you generate your auto caption, be sure and download a copy of the SRT file. This file you can upload directly to YouTube when you're adding captions to the subtitles section in YouTube, which you should do regardless of adding the baked-in captions. In YouTube, just go to Subtitles and Upload File. I normally select with timing. Upload. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on how to use the auto caption function in Clipchamp. I hope this provided value and you come back for the entire 20 video series that we'll be releasing weekly. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, and good luck on your faceless freedom journey.